Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is a simple Trinidad biscuit cake recipe. Hope you enjoy. In a small pot, add evaporated milk, vanilla extract, sugar, and butter. Heat on medium temperature until butter and sugar is melted. Then add 4 drops of liquid food coloring. I use Wilton brand, but you can use whatever you have available. Stir and set aside to cool. In a separate bowl, add flour, baking powder, salt, nutmeg, and cinnamon. Then mix all dry ingredients until combined. Now it's time to combine the wet and dry ingredients together to form a dough. I use a spoon to combine the ingredients together, then knead with hand. This is what the dough looks like after kneading. Dust work surface with dry flour and roll the dough until it's 1.5 inch thick. Then I cut the circles with 3.5 inch round cookie cutter. You can use whatever size you have, however, it will affect the baking time. After cutting, top with sugar and place on a baking sheet. Preheat oven at 340 degrees and bake for 13 to 15 minutes. After baking, set aside to cool, and there you have it, a simple Trinidad biscuit cake recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this recipe. The full recipe is listed in the description box below. Hope you enjoy this recipe.